In this video, I'm going to take a look at the periodic table basics assignment that I've assigned my practical chemistry students. This is a great assignment. It helps us learn a lot about atoms and how the structure of atoms, especially their electrons, are related to the way the periodic table is arranged. Have you ever wondered why the periodic table is shaped this way? Well, this is where we're going to start to learn that doing this assignment. One thing I should just side note, real fun, real quick, is if you go to ptable.com and hit wide, you can see that the periodic table will expand. This is the real shape of the periodic table. Okay, it's not as narrow as everybody thought. All those elements that were sitting on the bottom, those actually fit in the middle of the periodic table. And the only reason that we see periodic tables like this is that you can't fit them on a normal piece of paper. Kind of dumb, huh? This is the real shape of the periodic table. How interesting. I'm going to go back to the original though. And let's get started. So I'm using the new Cami Chrome extension to edit this, which gives me lots of nice tools for editing. I'm going to use red. So instructions. First thing you want to be able to do is write down the atomic number, the name, the average mass. The atomic mass is the average mass, remember, and then how many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in each element. For the neutrons, you should choose the most common isotope of that element. So just round off the mass. Like this boron mass is 10.81. That rounds off to 11. And if you subtract 5 protons from that, you will get 6 neutrons, and that's how they got that. Okay. I wonder if the undo, oh, the undo does work. That's nice. All right, so let's do a few. You can change the size of your writing. Yeah, that's still a little bit thick. Let's go down to 1. Ooh, that's nice. So hydrogen is number 1. You can write the name hydrogen, and it has a mass of 1.008. That's the average mass. Atomic number 1 means 1 proton and 1 electron. Average mass of 1, if we round that off, means 0 neutrons, because 1 proton plus no neutrons gives us 1 AMU total, and that total is the average mass. I'm going to skip the Bohr diagram and the Lewis structure for now. We're going to put that into the next video. I'll do one more element for you here, and then I expect you to go and finish all the rest of these on your own before I show you how to do the Bohr diagrams and Lewis structures. So let's do beryllium. Beryllium is number 4. Your writing does not have to be perfect. You'll notice I'm kind of bleeding over the edges. I think there's a zoom though too if you prefer to do it that way. And the average mass of beryllium is 9.0122 AMU. Atomic number 4 means 4 protons in an atom of beryllium, 4 electrons in a neutral atom of beryllium. How many, sorry, I just said neutrons, it was electrons. How many neutrons? Well, 4 AMUs in protons plus how many more neutrons should give us 9? That would be 4 plus 5. And that's it.